Gra. 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 Gra.
Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. It's obvious you're hungry. I mean, why would a pregnant woman like you be going through all this stress of hawking granuts?
Okay, you can see now. You know, see, na work, hawk at the hawk. If I no hawk, I want a chop. You see, I get it, I dey hawk. See, I don't know if you want to do me now, beg.
It's alright, I'll get you something for food. Yeah. Get food with this and keep the change.
Okay, you want that granite?
No, no,
Granite?
No.
Oh, okay, I cannot want that. Even this money when you give me, you go buy this tray of granite, 100 tray.
No,
Okay?
I don't want your granuts.
No, may I put them for you.
I just said buy food
your
and keep the change.
Wait, okay, help me up. Make I give them granite.
My family, no, I'm just
wait,
alone.
make I give you, I'm not getting rubber band.
I don't want.
Where your family? Where your family?
I don't want granite. I don't want it.
The people know.
No, I don't want.
Okay, see granite what I give you.
I just asked you to buy food and keep the change. That's all.
You carry this bundle of money.
Hey! No name, no address.
Thank God you collected the money. I would have asked you to go back and collect the money.
See your mouth like go back and collect the money. What will they do? Will they thank that man? A good Samaritan man. If you say that you now tell me we go, may you follow me go hug or not, now you for don't die. Because you know they ever get power.
This sickness is really depriving me from a lot. I can't wait to feel better, so I can do things by myself.
This thing they tire me. Mess. Today you go where? Tomorrow you no go where? Another day now go reach, you go day okay, you go they say you get power, you go do everything. Another day go come, you go you're weak like the way that you're friend uni. Are they tired for you? May God help you. This last medicine I give you so you know it work?
I don't know, it's down lately. I don't know.
May God help person because this matter now don't tire person. Make I go market now. Since this good Samaritan man give us money, I carry some for inside, go buy things we no get. I go inside, go check what in the house. In short, not be say almost everything no dey, but man, just still check the small one way there.
Sister, go take me here. Sister, buy me something. Yeah.
Hey, I to stand up when you get better, na the problem. No be small thing. I will make I go check and make I go market.
Okay.
We fit take one groundnut chop for inside since person don't give us money. But nothing there as before I go market come back, they go down.
Thank you.
Brother, I see this game. I will tell you so I get full assurance for this game. I will tell you. Don't be lying. Don't be lying, don't be lying. See, this game now, I will stick am into two. You understand? I will give you one, you will knock one.
Don't be lying.
Then me, I will play one. Honestly.
Now my last card I want to use play this game now. I swear to God. my last card. I hope say the game go enter.
See, P, as he be now, he's supposed to believe in me.
Hey, my guy.
I swear to God.
No, I believe you, my guy. No, while I'm up with the go now. We'll go play the game. Everywhere good now.
You never understand this game. See, as I take shot for this game, if to say I get money, I for knock on like 10 or 20k. Honestly. But on my last 500 H, I go just take
more use that one, more try that one, no worry.
So if you get money, just stack them anything, but me sure that for this.
Now my last card like this now, I want use play.
Collect.
My last card, my guy. No worry, no more they go.
I say you collect. I suppose you trust me. Yeah, if I bring out my play game like this guy.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my friend. You know you owe me from the last time.
I owe you.
Yes.
Owe you waiting.
After paying for a meal, you refuse to tell me your name or where you stay.
Ha. Okay, I don't get to use my name or where they stay do. No, no be anything. You don't get to the use and do.
The truth is, I don't like what I'm seeing. Okay, I don't like the fact that you're pregnant and still you're selling this. So I'd like to help you. Let me buy everything you're carrying so you can go home and rest. Okay? All right, kindly call your account number so I can make a transfer.
I don't get account, but I get the woman where they do POS near our house, the account number.
All right, give it to me.
Maybe that man is just God sent. Eh? Obviously, he doesn't want you. He's not blind. He can see that you're pregnant for another man.
I don't want to allow. You said the sons of Adam where they walk up and down. They look for who to destroy. I know follow. They don't go see me.
Sister, what if is God trying to help us through that man? Next time, listen to him. Tell him your story. He might just be our destiny helper.
You didn't hear yourself at all. He might just be our destiny helper. How you go just see stranger like this? See stranger, they tell am all your family problem. Now people like una they make people no strangers no dey help person. Because as now you see person one one is taught, you one hip or your problem give am. It be like say this your sickness on the enter your head though.
No vex. All I dey talk be say, make we no miss this opportunity.
Which opportunity?
Abeg, sister.
You and who opportunity? I can't go inside. This is your medicine. You don't take your afternoon medicine. Go take her. May you sleep.
That brother fit be our destiny helper.
And your destiny helper. Now so now they misbehave. You see stranger when you put all your problem on top of the stranger head. Now they make people know they help person.
Today's game, just one game. Man, you caught what this game. Eh? Look at how everything is going. Looking at man, you are caught wire. Eh? What kind of bad luck is this? What kind of bad luck is this? Just one game.
Mekus, my guy. My guy. Make my deal. After that game we play yesterday. After that your game yesterday, what happened?
Oh boy, I don't understand this kind of thing. As you see me, so me I know they happy now. Why are they like this? See better game why I play. One game just cut down. See as everything they go. One game just cut down.
Talk through.
See am now.
My game enter. I swear to God, my game enter like this. I don't cash out 120k.
I don't understand. Which one your game enter?
My short game enter now. See, my game enter now. Everywhere good, guy.
Wait, now you book the game. I been me book. No be game what book give you. How your own take enter, my own no enter.
Emeka, now you give me game. I play the same game where you give me. My own enter. I dey tell you, I don't cash out 120k. I dey plan go see to go meet that my uncle when I tell you. So you go fit add small money for me. So I fit start up that small business, that provision business.
You dey confuse me. Bring this your ticket first. Which one be your game enter? My game no enter. Game what book give you?
See am now.
Hey. Peter, man, you know they your game, oh. Hi.
Man, you.
Man, you cut my game now, but man, you know they your game. Give me man, you sequence.
Emeka, man, you. How? I don't understand. Man, you know they the game where you give me now. How you take play man, you for your own game?
Nah, I can't get here game now. This is it. Game book, no man, you. Give me man, you see where the game again. Where cut wire. What kind of bad luck is this?
Sorry, don't worry. Yeah? Don't worry. More go cash out. Just call more they go. More go cash out. Like they find something. Maybe they you know my guy. Like. Make Usman.
I don't understand, but how man you take enter my game? The same game what a book give you.
Amazim go see me. I'm go see me now. Don't worry. Yeah? Don't worry. More go cash out the money. I'll find you something. So you can take the right. You know my guy. Make Usman. Kaiwa.
What are the movie? Okay? Kebe come on you see man. Eh? Nsina ka mgba baka to win enyimba. O ma court o. Eh? Hey, the bad luck not bad. What is all this? Work I don't have. My business has gone flat. Eh? What do I do now? Eh? Why am I the only one with the bad luck? Left and right, bad luck. If I go this way, bad luck. I go this way, bad luck. Look at the game I played. Game Nigerian book I gave to Peter. Peter played, I also played. Okay, Peter by my own court. What kind of rubbish is this? How? How did Man U enter my game? How? I'm tired of all this. Feeding has been a problem. Okay, Peter has given me money now, okay? What did I buy? Gary? Ozo Ibondo. Ozo Emekando, not even Igbo. Ozo Emekando. Gary? Ozo Emekando. If it's not Gary, there's no idea other food I'll eat. God, are you even sure you're still living? Are you sure? Agu Ebuku Emeka. Agu Ebuku Emeka, God. I'm suffering. I go left, bad luck. I go right, bad luck. I'm tired. Okay. I should keep on drinking Gary now. Huh? Or where about someone a balanced diet? Since it's only Gary you want me to be drinking, let me go and be drinking Gary. Do I have any business with balanced diet? Eh? Or where about someone a balanced diet? Let me go and be drinking Gary. Ntiaka side down, no.
Mercy, are you okay? This one you are like this. You dey well?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm just weak. Maybe I need more sleep. Sister, you didn't go walking today.
I'm peeling some groundnuts inside. I just said let me come and take some fresh air. I'm having small headache. So I said let me go and rest.
Sorry.
Yay! What is this man doing here? How did he know? How did he get to know this place?
Sister,
What did he find come here?
who is he?
That man who I tell you say give me money the other day.
Hi.
Welcome, sir.
Man,
Thank you very much.
man, what did you find come my house? How you tell know here, man?
My name is James. I'm an international businessman. I also own a foundation that supports women, especially pregnant women.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, sir.
Same here. You're nicer than your sister here.
Sure, me say that. Na don't meet before. Person they tell you say you are nicer than your sister. You dey lie. You know nothing that insult is insulting your sister.
Not really. She's. I'm just saying she's more receptive than you are.
Welcome, sir. Hey, sister,
you.
let me go and help you and finish up the ground.
Better for you.
Cool.
Can you at least offer me a seat?
As you dey sit down, they talk with you bring you come in.
Are you not going to sit?
I know they sit down. Tell me wetin bring you come my house. How you take no road take on here?
I see you're pregnant. Simply means you should have a man. So where is your husband?
Wetin you call am man? Now to tell you say anything where they put man inside na bad news. Most of una wicked. The idiot he run leave me. It is as he run leave me, me go die. You know say God be person.
Well, you have nothing to worry about because I'm here to help. I saw the way you were stressing the other day and I must tell you, it's affecting this baby. Okay? So I got you some stuffs and I also give you some money which will last you a while. You just promise me you stay off the street and not stress yourself for the sake of that baby.
Sir, man, you say you get me stuff.
Yeah, I bought you some things, foodstuffs, rice, beans, name them.
You buy tea?
Oh yes,
I like tea.
I got beverages too. Huh? Come see for yourself.
You buy fresh bread. I used to like fresh bread.
Really? I know you're going to like this one. Yeah? All stocked up for you. I have lots. The trunk and some there.
You go nowhere. Guy, you go nowhere.
What is all this now?
You're taking responsibility.
Which one is taking my
responsibility? Not be only to give my pele na dey sweet you. Responsibility you will take.
See, I don't like this thing. No.
Oga, take your responsibility.
I don't like it too.
Oga, you too. I don't like my own. No, they all here for me. I know.
Quietly leave me.
When you give me belle, I was your love and your mate. Now they do one thing for me. Like say, Oga, shit, I beg you. Oga, guy, no, they do that kind of thing. No, they do. Oga, come collect your responsibility. Collect your responsibility.
See, turn around. Because of this thing, I keep you quiet.
Turn around, collect your responsibility. Turn around.
Leave me now.
No go respect yourself now. See, I don't break my hand, though.
Jesus. Jesus. Oh, what is all this now? Why do I keep seeing this girl in my dreams? Am I the first person to get someone pregnant? Or someone to have a yeah? I gave you money. I told you, get rid of this pregnancy. Come on, well on way. This girl is a witch. She's a witch. If not, why will I keep seeing her in my dreams? No. Oh, did anything bad happen to her? Madam Mechukwanya Lahola in peace. Eh? Omo be the first person to Madime. So many people are Tobago Madime na gaili freely. Nka Mechukwanya Lahola talk more of figure free news. What is all this? Boy, I'm not a witch. She's a witch.
Today is really a good day. When last did we eat tea and bread in this house? Sister? I thought you said sugar is too much in tea that is not good for the health.
Na lie. Na Baba to talk and through me. And because I will not get money, I make me just bring that kind of thing they talk. Tea good well. It's good. Tea no get any side effects. Now because they will not get money to buy them. Now make every day. Now one pattern of food that is fufu and eba. If we no see eba, we go eat groundnut.
Sister? So you don't confirm I'm now say Uncle James na God sent. I tell you.
That man a good Samaritan. Boy, now all this fowl. I don't talk all this fowl. Make them know they call this place. I don't know too. They use this fowl they do. Una carry. That man a very good Samaritan. Now God go bless him. I don't know say na so the man be. Hey! So the man just dey buy fresh bread every as in all the thing what tell am make bring you bring. Hey! God abeg o.
Life is good one.
Life is good o. See, I'll give you small money. May go buy your medicine. More for quench your sickness sometime before you go come.
Thank you, sister. Thank you. God go bless you. God go bless Uncle James.
God will bless you, man. Because
Yeah, for sweet to drink now.
I tell you, even your own, as I make your own, I no put plenty milk. I put 5 spoons of milk for my own. And 1.5 I put for your own. Because I mean the nutrients pass you.
Bros, good afternoon.
No, my name is not Bros. My name is Anonymous. Anani.
Anonymous.
Yes.
Okay, sorry. No vex.
Okay.
I came in respect of this thing I see for them peaceful.
Huh?
Which is this thing?
Hey,
This man needed in person.
Hey, Kuzukona. They still keep this in here. Hey! This is not relevant again. No. Maybe na bad luck they follow you. Hi. Since our big gate no dey open and our guy travel go America, this thing they suppose don tear and come out now. Don't tell when we need them before. Yeah.
As I see him, I get hope.
Oh,
Get this job.
Your hope just flat tire of hope. You get flat tire of hope. And see your leg. You be done the trek well, Abi.
I will try small.
Look at this Benz. Hey, sorry. So if no be say you done the trek now, I for say make you come back when Oga don't come because we be the need driver. But this your leg in a trek.
You say driver?
You don't go sabi drive now. See your leg.
No. Anonymous. I sabi drive. I don't drive Mark. I don't drive Mercedes Benz. I don't drive anything where they drive. Even keke, I dey drive.
He saw say don't drive. I mean, I don't drive Legacy's Benz. You know, so that I started to drive Legacy's Benz. Bro, your leg is driving.
No, I sabi drive.
Sabi drive. You can drive anything.
Yes,
anything drivable.
I dey drive well.
I'll give you the job.
Anani, I beg.
Say Anani, give me the job.
Anani, give me
say
the job.
Anani, I need this job.
Anani, I need this job.
Good, but I don't work it. You know. It will cost you 1 or 2 things. Yes.
I don't understand. You
okay, do you need this job?
I need them now.
Now you don't understand the policy, the politics in the business. It will cost you 1 or 2 things. We have so many people coming for this driving work. But when I see you, I see driver in your face. I see that you can drive my to his future. You are the perfect match, but you have to fasterize it, make it more faster. You know, I need to buy fuel to push me to convince you that I have a brother. In fact, you're not a son, you're like my brother. You're my senior brother, senior. How are you?
Anani, I'm fine.
Yeah, so
you know, say I understand what you try to talk about. I know.
You know.
I know too.
No why now.
I have small money.
Carry your power to go your village.
Anani, wait. I never talk finish now.
What you want to talk again? Anything want to consign money? No, they put eye. If you know, no why the person will they come.
This morning now, I want trek reach that junction. If I reach that junction, I will come use and come enter motor, come they go house. So I don't know.
But now when you see job, use it as fastening the job. Then trek can go house. That is how we do. If you are planning your future, you use this small money. It's too small, but I can help you as my fellow man. You know, they say help man help each other. I can help you with this thing. You fasten the job, then you trek. At least you have been trekking. You see, dust. So the choice is yours. Should I go in?
No. Okay. I'll give you now.
Bring them now. Why they had now 1,000? What you go buy? One belly full.
As I go so down, I don't know which I will read down. I will trek.
You don't need to know what this is. You are investing. You understand? You are investing. By next weekend now, Morgan will come back. You will now begin to germinate from what you invested.
So you say make I come Monday?
Yes! By then I have work, but if you come Monday, don't ask for anybody, ask for Anonymous.
Okay, I will ask for
don't go and fast forward. Don't spoil everything, because if I go inside now, I will work everything, smoothing the work for you. You just come on Monday, I will take you straight to Morgan. You know what I'm saying? The next thing is I will just give you the car key.
Right.
They'll just give you what? Car key. Say, Anani, give me car key.
Anani, give me car key.
Yes, next thing I will give me I will give me car key.
No, Monday, yes, I go first thing Monday morning, I don't do it.
Yeah, but if you are coming on Monday, don't come empty-handed. Come something to appreciate. You know when you are going to church, if God do something for you, what do? You appreciate. So that Monday, as you come, you package something to appreciate Anonymous. Yeah, sir.
Try, even though say I don't get anything.
Try. So that you can shame your great people.
No,
all your enemy when they say you don't go make them. You don't make them a lady. If you are going now, sing this song of joy that I meet Anonymous and he helped me. You understand? Yes. Yeah, the singer they go. I meet Anonymous. Sing and they go. Oga, I say I go leave you. Good boy. Bring another person, yeah? Thank you, good boy. My man.
My guy. I did. How far? I bet you get cold pure water. Very cold water. This one where you no get. Where you don't get egg roll today. What's happening?
I don't know what is the problem. Let them come again.
This water not too cold.
Manage them. They're not being like, nah, I go up and eat here.
How far now?
I walk now.
Shango.
That side, man.
No, it's
still I go that side.
Yes,
don't tell where I go that side.
One may hunger kill me.
I swear.
And we go. How much you on yourself?
Now 250 now. Yeah. $200 this one.
You a guy. How boy?
How far, man?
Na my money I dey find like this.
You go dey your pocket now. No be work you from the come back.
I swear, na work.
You go dey your pocket. Just calm down, relax. Relax the time.
I dey tell you, I no see my money again. I swear.
I be dem do transfer for you, no remember.
No, money dey my pocket now, so I dey come here now.
Now you come, you suppose take am before you dey come chop.
I tell you say I hold money.
So wetin you wan do now? That one na format, make you come chop go as usual.
Chop format now, I no dey buy something
I
there
know your
before.
way now, but you go pay before you comot now. You go pay before you comot.
This money, I have this money in my pocket now.
So wetin we go do? You go do POS abi?
Yeah?
Na POS you go do. You your card.
I no get card now. Which one be POS?
Come inside, come sit down now.
Make I sit down do wetin? I no.
You no go comot now if you no pay me. You no go comot. Come sit down.
I go pay you now. Na my money I dey find like this. Wetin be your own? I tell you say. You tell you say I no see my money. You say I go sit down.
Oga better to down.
No, I go pay you. Which one be Atukulan? I go pay you now.
Very smart. Ọgbà kìtì mi yẹn dára. Atukulan na ẹsẹ̀ ìtì ibẹ̀ kí wọlé àìwá ẹ̀wẹ̀. Ọ̀gá mú àná ìyẹn náà mi náà mú àná ẹ̀mí mmadụ. What I go?
And my chop my money. That's why you are there.
You take Lego, you are there. If you listen, say finance me na take it. I got that plan. Come sit down and ask me. Come on, I dey make code for.
Okay, come
on.
Come. I give your money now.
I'm not like code for.
Then my pocket. I give you my money now.
Yeah.
Calm down. I go pay you your money now. I don't know what you me and this money.
I come sit down. I want to be na go. That plan. I go be na money.
Anonymous.
Oga, who be Anonymous?
I mean Anonymous. I don't come back now.
Come back out. Have we met before? How can you walk up to my gate and start calling me Anonymous?
Anonymous, na me now.
Oh, now you be Anonymous. Oh, wonderful.
No, now you be Anonymous.
How? Me? How can you walk up to my gate and start calling me Anonymous? Eh? My name is Benjamin. Benji for short. Benji. Benji for short. Don't call me that name again, please. Please. Have I seen you before? Have we met in any way?
Okay, now me be Anonymous. We come the other day.
Okay, now you be Anonymous. We come the other day. Good and fine.
No,
I don't know you.
No, you tell me say you be Anonymous. Where I come that day where they put gatekeeper needed. Where me and you talk.
Excuse me. Do you wash face this moment before coming out? Do you wash face very well? Because you cannot march into my gate and start calling me Anonymous. Do you know the meaning of Anonymous? Do you know the meaning of Anonymous? I'm Benjamin. Benji for short. If you say you said that Benji, I will like be listening to you. Do you have any conversation? Do I know you? Please, I'm going inside. This is farm.
Wait. You know say that day where I come, you tell me say your guy dey come back for weekend. Say make I come one day.
How?
You can't tell me say make I facilitate the what is as I be drive. You say make I facilitate the job.
You sabi drive. I never drive yourself to your future. I don't understand, chairman. This is farm. Poultry. We are training different type of animal here. You can come and see for yourself. I don't know you. We don't talk anything about job. You know facilitate anything in my hand. Are you acting movie here?
No vex. So you be twins.
How? I be twins?
You get anybody will look like? Now you now. I give you the last one. What tell you say?
You give me money? Hey, this one I go vex me. You give me money? You give me money? How? Are you under a course? Are they pursuing for your village? Allegation. Can you see? People come you give me money? How?
No, you say make I come one.
Me talk anything like have I met you? Look at me very well. No, joke apart. No, calm down. Look at me very well. Okay, let us believe that I asked you to come. Is today Monday?
Today na Monday now. Today Monday.
Jesus, village people. Now I believe that thing they say village people is after some people. Your village people is after you. Oh my God, they are seriously after you, man. They are after you, man. No. What are you can't tell me? Because today is Tuesday, not Monday. Today is Tuesday. You see?
Today is Tuesday. Today is Monday now.
No.
I came here, I saw gate.
Check, do you have any phone?
I get phone now.
Check.
Today is Monday now. Check. Tuesday.
Oh, Tuesday. I know I attend to animals, but not animal like you. See, let me go inside there. I have something doing, but let me advise you. Go to your village, buy white fowl, you know. Go and beg your chi, you know, your tarachi, ndowa. They are disturbing you. Okay, man, ndowa. Holding people, beg them. They're after your life. You are confused. Huh? And stop babbling mother. Please. The sun is hitting, is directed to your brain. It's confusing you. How can you know that today is Tuesday? The sun have confused your brain, my friend. No.
Tuesday. Alan happens in corner. What is wrong with me? And I was coming here thinking that hey. I really don't understand. Yes, now I came to this guy's place. Osinafia by anonymous. I saw anonymous. You asked me to come on Monday. I should facilitate the job. With my last card, 1,000 yegi. No, now this guy do G full laugh. That's the guy. This morning, I want to reach that junction. If I reach that junction, I will call user, I call enter motor, come they go house. So I don't know.
But now when you see job, use it as fastening the job. Then Trek can go house.
No, young one. I gave him 1,000 now. But how come? Also, today is Tuesday. I checked my phone. Today is Tuesday. But I slept yesterday. That's Sunday. Doesn't mean that I slept 2 days. I slept on Sunday and woke up on Tuesday. Nah, what has come here? How can somebody sleep on Sunday? Now you wake up on Tuesday. Alan happened. Okay, I'm not allowed Sunday. Which happened Monday now? How come today is Tuesday? See this life. This life is not easy. It's not easy at all.
I understand. Life is not easy. Honestly, I don't even know what to say. I don't know the best advice to give you as my friend now. Because before my very own eyes, you started 4 different businesses. It all failed. Including this my provision business that I'm doing right now. Eh?
Peter, you don't need to tell me or remind me of it. I know. But I cannot just fold my hands and do nothing now. I'll be hustling. Man, my challenge is that even if I hustle from now till next month, she adapota, 10 kobo I cannot see. What kind of luck is this? Bad luck, I need to rally him up and down. What is all this?
Last, everywhere good. You know that my shop at that new site. Huh? My shop is at that new site. It's very far. That's why I don't always come around. Besides, you don't expect me to always come around.
I know, Peter, but there's no problem.
Emeka, you need to seek spiritual help. Yes. You need a strong pastor. Someone that can pray for you and bring you out of these troubles. See, I am very scared on your behalf.
Honestly, Peter, I'm tired. I'm tired. If I tell you that I'm not tired of all this, I'm so tired. Of course, do you want some?
Me want some? No, don't worry. Let's go and get something and eat. My man.
Nah, no problem. You see, Peter, every day, Gary in and out. I'm chilling.
Gary now, you come on, Macanya.
No, nothing will happen to my hand.
Hey, I did that.
Thank you so much for the gifts. You've been so helpful to us.
You don't need to thank me. This is what I enjoy doing. Huh?
I'm curious about something.
About what exactly?
Your generosity towards us. You know my sister is pregnant for another man, right? We don't even know the whereabouts of this man.
The truth is, I understand your sister is pregnant for another man, but I am not after your sister, if you know what I meant. Okay? I believe your sister is pregnant, and she being out there on the streets will expose her to lots of dangers. And so I'm trying my possible best to get her off the street. Yes, this is what I love to do. I mean, your family is not the only family I do this for. But do not worry. I'm going to commission some projects at my base very soon, which will take me for at least a month. By the time I come back, I'll take full responsibility of your sister.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Uncle James.
You're welcome.
You're really a nice person. Not everyone would do it.
You're welcome. Meanwhile, where is she? Has she gone hawking again?
She insisted.
It's all right. Just in case I don't get to see her before I leave, make sure my message gets across to her. Okay?
Right.
Good. You have nothing to worry about, trust me.
Thank you.
Leave me alone now. Leave me alone. Let me live my life. Why are you still hawking? I thought I gave you enough money to stop this thing. Huh? What's the meaning of this now? No, guy, you should let me live my life now. What is your problem? Come on, enter the car. Leave me alone. Should I stay at home and enter the car. Stop this thing. You're stressing your baby. Which one is I'm stressing my baby? Now you give me belly. Why are you more concerned than who give me belly? Which kind of wahala be this one? Can you enter the car now? So I'll drop you off at home. I'm not entering any car.
This is so bad. I've been out since morning and returning home with nothing. I've not eaten anything. Chuku agu gebukwam o. I'll die of hunger o. Come and rescue me o. Get me what to do o. Agu gebum o. Here. Water and stone. Hunger is now affecting my vision. So water and stone come from channel of bread and...
What sign is this one? Which kind of thing is this one? Mercy, how you there for? How you there for come down? Hey! Hey! Mercy! Hey! Magic Wado! Magic Wado! Wait! Mercy! Mercy, wait! I be you now! I be you! What did they give for? I think which kind of sickness you under come they do one of them for? What did you have this sickness they do when make una fuck out your way? But Magic Wado! Magic Wado! Wait! When I go help me, my sister fall for chair!
Thank you, my sister. Thank you so much. I'm sorry for this stress. I know this past few days has really been stressful for you. I'm sorry. No vex.
If you no need to tell me sorry, why you tell me sorry? Eh? Blood is thicker than water. You be my blood. Now only you I get for this life. I no get any other person. If I not take care of you, who go take care of you? The only thing when they think me now, I had to raise the money.
I wish Uncle James is around.
Uncle James? If he there around, what do you want to do? What do you think Uncle James go do if he there around? Oh, now they forget all these big men get plenty wahala. You know not say the money big. It is say as we they beg am money, they drag am. Now so another person they drag am. Now so in family, friends, uncles, people, relation they drag am. Big men life matters oh. It matters oh. Not be only us you get as problem. If you give us small for instance, I say we'll go find the remaining one. The thing be say thank God say small money still remain where you give us. Now you stay by this your medicine. Hope say the pain don't reduce as the man talk.
Yes, it don't reduce.
The doctor don't talk and now he say this pain, the drug will help your pain reduce. Say maybe you drink plenty water. Person pass. Help, please. Anything. Help. Do that. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma. Thank you, sister. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks, sir. Sister, which can talk on that one now?
So you don't see.
Why you go one collect my money?
So you don't see. You don't hear the deceive.
Stop it now, sir.
Hey! Oh, but the one
what's the worry?
This our country.
Why you want
to
the
deceive
money?
people?
Oh, I'm sorry.
I've been asking you, where did you get the money we've been spending from? You said God have been faithful. What if to say you die today? Who would take care of me?
God forbid, I know they die now. I know die now. No verse. If to say I no do this kind of business, how I want to raise money? I want to raise money for drug before your surgery.
But not begging. Not begging.
You know say groundnut business, no get anything where they come out from inside. That groundnut business, no gain, nothing. You know who they reach to buy even paracetamol, one packet for you.
Thank God. Thank God it wasn't worse. Thank God it was not the angry mob. You would have survived it. I beg, sister. No do am again. I beg.
I don't hear. I go find another business. I go think of another business what I go do.
But
Oh, for taking money for your drugs.
better business, I beg. I don't want to lose you. I don't have any other person in this world. Please, don't leave me. I beg.
Your body dey hot. Why your body con dey hot? Why your body con dey hot?
You don't see him now. I don't even know the one why they think. Whether na you under the kidney stone. I don't want to lose you. Please don't leave me.
No dey lose me, I dey here, don't do.
Sorry. You say if you try, no easy.
I get choice.
I don't suffer, tire for this life, oh. No matter what I do, things they scatter, oh. Now which kind of life be this, oh. No matter where I go, them go tire, them go tire to give me small job, oh. I never argue salary, but then they say, we know they see you. Even get man walk, no way. Make I carry cement, no way. I do not like you, make I die for hunger, oh. Now who I do, oh.
Da, mago makaba.
I don't get time for you, I beg you. This one with the put hand for front, they put for back. I don't understand. Which one be this one now? Which one be wallet again? See, bros, I don't understand. Which one be wallet again? I don't understand. Which one be... Now, this thing what they do for this time, we be selling the light. Now, they use and they do people anyhow. I don't like this kind of thing, no. Bros, give me my... I don't get time. Where they go, I beg.
Calm down.
Which one do? Which one be calm down again? Bros, I beg. Give me my money. Give me
Wait,
my money.
bros, calm down now. Calm down.
I beg, give me my money. Give me my money. How much be your money? Wait, son. Wait, I buy from that. No get time.
Wait.
I got no get time. Give me my money. I don't like this kind of thing. I don't mind you. Which one be that one now? I don't come this side to come play. No, so I get many things what they do for house.
I beg.
I got get many responsibility. I got give me my money.
Now my wallet I dey find now.
Which one wallet again?
I go talk to
Boss,
mommy.
me I go blow for your mouth so. I go blow for mouth so.
Blow
Boss,
me,
I don't get time, beg. Give me my money now.
Then don't steal. Calm down now, bro. Calm down now.
Boss.
This thing is not ordinary. It is no longer ordinary. The other day it was with the young boy selling pure water. I couldn't find the money I left in my pocket. Now today, I entered Keke. I couldn't find the wallet. Wallet that I'm so sure that is inside my pocket. And it's not as if I went to crowded place for them to steal it. No. Wallet is the napam. Eh? What's going on? Nenia, what is going on? Eh? This is not ordinary. Okay, okay, what is this now? You almost made me lose my life. Now, okay, this is now. Nime the same pocket I ransacked. Now, boss, you say, eh? What is this now? God. What is this? Eh? Come and save me now. Egom the Chanimia. Hi. What is going on? What is going on?
Favor,
Sir,
what are you doing here? What happened to your leg?
man, it was... Help me. Please help me. I can't walk. My leg is paining. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you, mother. Help me. Help me. I can't walk. My leg is paining me. I can't walk. Help me. Just help me. There's nothing. Help me. Help me, please. I'm begging you. Help me. Help me. Just help me.
Kidnapper! You just come into the car, okay? Come inside. Wow, this looks serious. For how long has she been sick?
He don't long go. He long well. Man, he long. You know, man, that time as you just travel, things come gas even turn out. She can't start to the symptoms, small things. So I can't they say wetin dey happen? Wetin say na malaria? But you know, say we no get money to go hospital now. So now I can't say more fair wait. Small time the thing come worse. Now I rush and go hospital to make sure for no die for my hand. As she reach, the doctor magnetize her.
Diagnosed.
Stone kidney.
Kidney stone.
Yes.
Wow. I'm so sorry about that. You know, after I left, I realized I didn't drop my contact with you, at least for communication reasons. I should have just gotten your phone so we could talk once in a while. But not to worry, I'm back now. Okay, I would take care of this and make sure she's fine. What about her medications?
Now today go finish.
It's alright. I'll make sure the best hospital handles this.
Thank you. Thank you very much. You don't do plenty for us. God bless you.
You're welcome.
They say we should drink plenty water.
Yes, it's good for the kidney.
May God go bless you. Since you just help us, God will bless you well.
It's alright. All she needs right now is our prayers. I paid for everything, including her post-surgery checkups. Yeah.
Hey! Now man you be you get money, sha. You be great philanthropist. You dey try well. Since you just dey spend money, they pay for everything, you know who they shake. God will bless you.
Sister Favor. Huh? All we need to do is look for a good place to buy her food so she'll be eating. You know she needs enough energy before the surgery. Huh?
This ice cream we buy for me just cool my brain. You cool me from all the sofa. God will bless you.
I had to buy it for you because you're craving it. Although sugar is not good for you. Yeah? All the same, I had to buy it.
Okay. I know I will take her small.
Alright.
Since you say sugar is not good, I will take her small. Only this one.
After this one, don't leak again, okay?
Good.
Thank you, sir. Favor.
Man, thank you. God will bless you.
Man. I like the way you call it, man. Favor.
car has arrived. Yes. Kekem, Emiwa, you have arrived. At least now I have means of livelihood. Now, by the time I use this keke and also 1 or 2 times, I'll just pay off the higher purchase. It will say my own. Emiwa, Kamazia na bad luck, Agabi na lumego keke genyem. Bad luck, come again. Can quag bullshit. Emiwa, here you come. Tell him 10 minutes. I'm coming. Kaitido. Okay, go. No, not go. Hey now. Hey! Keke mama ti na bu. Keke mezi. No now. Keke puzinku. Oh. What pattern? Hey now. Where? Hey. Timo. How bad luck and this one? Timo. Keke. What back? Hey. What is going on? Kekem. Neighbor! My neighbor! No. I pack it like this. I come back. Now. Hey. Not on more. Hey. Bad luck, Ogumenka. You finish, you go for all of bad luck. Hey. No, now. When I started, did I hear the... No, I did not hear any sound. Hey. Bad luck happens, the animal car, please now. Bad luck. Hey. Hey.
Jesus. Good afternoon, young man.
Good afternoon, sir.
I have a message for you.
Okay.
As you were approaching towards this direction, I heard the Lord telling me that I should tell you. Young man, you once rejected a woman and her pregnancy. You told her to do something which she didn't do. Now, if you want to move out from your suffering, if you want to move out from what you are passing through now, you need to go and search for that woman. Make sure she forgives you. Let her lay her hands on you with the child. Kai. So that your life will turn around. If you don't, you will keep suffering. You will keep suffering, young man. Go and look for that woman and her child. Let them pray for you. I hear a name, Emeka. Is your name Emeka? Go and look for that woman. This is the message from the Lord. Thank you. I have to go.
Hey, wait. Hey, what is going on? So, what man of God said is true? That I will never progress. Hey! What is all this? What is all this? What is all this? What is all this?
Yeah. Make sure you get her medications and she eats well.
Man, thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. It's all right.
Thank you, sir.
It's all right.
Man.
You don't have to do that.
Hey. Man, thank you. Thank you, man.
It's all right. You know she's not that strong yet. Make sure she doesn't stress herself. Okay?
I'll make sure. She no go stress herself at all.
It's all right.
Thank you.
Tomorrow I will come over to take the list of what you need in the house. Okay? So I can restock the house for you.
Restock our house?
Yes.
I get no need to they come. I get list. Like if you come, I like that fresh bread really hot so you dey buy come.
Okay.
I like them.
I'll get that for you.
With tea.
Yes, I'll get that for you.
You know, so the last one you buy small, one may you increase them.
Okay. I'll get them for you.
No, what I mean is say if you dey come tomorrow, maybe you buy and come, then go collect the list go.
Okay, no problem. Okay? Should be fine. All right. Take care. Thank you.
I don't suffer, tire for this life, oh. No matter what I do, things they scatter, oh.
To fear one. Hey!
Wow. Look, guy, how did this happen? How did this happen? I had to borrow money from my uncle for the down payment on that keke. Chief was insisting they should not release you. So I had to make a down payment just for you to come out. Then you'll be paying every month.
Peter, thank you so much. I mean, if not for you, if not for you, if I don't die there.
Bro, how did it happen?
I don't know. I don't know. If you ask me now, I don't know. I packed keke. Not up to 10 minutes I went inside. Coming out, I still have the keys on my hands. Nezia forced him keke.
Wow.
Asking everybody, nobody says they saw anyone towing keke. Keke disappear or fly, I don't know.
Wow. One if an guy. See, it's high time you went back to that your girl. As the pastor rightfully said. Yes.
Peter, what if she kills me? This is someone I see in my dreams all the time. I see her. She's a witch. I cannot go there.
She will not kill you. She will not kill you. Just go back to that girl. Just go back and plead with her. Very simple thing. See, let me tell you. It might be her gods. In fact, her gods, not even her god. It might be her gods fighting you. They might be fighting on her behalf. You won't know. Just go and plead on her. Just go and plead with the girl so that you'll be free. I know what I'm telling you. Try what the pastor said, though.
Fine. Can you imagine GC Kote?
I know why I'm telling you all these things. Do what the pastor said. Do what the pastor said. I know why I'm telling you all these things. So
parking keke here. Just 10 minutes. Oh, no, 10 minutes. I came out. Keke Efe.
Wow.
Eh? You disappear. Hi.
Just just do what I've said. Just do what the pastor said too.
Because it's better for you, I believe. James, you know, the truth is I see nothing hindering you. Your sister is getting better. All I want is for you to be in a safe place and relax yourself for the safety of the baby.
Anything we consent to go city now, I don't want that stress at all. I prefer to stay here, man. Man, the truth I tell you. I don't want stress myself.
You don't understand. There are better hospitals in the city to take care of you and your unborn child. Unless you want to give birth in the local clinics here.
Hey, what all this clinic do na city people? Now here they born all these people they see for village. They born me for here. They born my sister for here. We know that. Now here I plan to born my pikin before God can send you come as helper.
But so, your child deserves better. Okay? At least now that I'm here. Huh? Your child deserves better. Trust me. You need to be in the city so that the hospitals there can take care of you and prepare you for the child.
No problem. I go think about her. But for now here I won't stay. I stay here. But I think about her. No easy. Don't say here now. If I born pikin, I go feel call neighbor with the go help me come back pikin. Your side, man, I don't know how your place be. I don't know how city be. I don't know person there. But no, I think about her. Sure.
The truth is, there's no time. There is no time. You soon put to bed and.
I be shocked. The way you say there's no time. Can't you say danger day?
No, nothing's going to happen to you. I'm just saying there's no time. The baby will soon be here. So you'll be there, and when the child is coming, the people in the city will receive your baby. That's all. Huh?
I go think about it, and then I go think about it.
Sister, why are you crying?
I just dey think my life. Many things just dey worry me. Now one man give me belle and another man dey take care of me. The thing dey shame me sometimes. Many things. I just tired for the kind of life where I just dey live.
Maybe that's how God wants it. Forget about the past. Concentrate on this present. Why is your stand on Uncle James's offer?
I no wan go. I know they go. I don't want to go.
I don't understand. You want the opportunity to pass you by? What are you doing? You don't want good health? What exactly is the color of your problem?
What did they do you now? Why you can't they shout for me? You know what did they do you and man, that Mr. James? What did they do now to be say any small thing now they speak BB grammar? Now me and you just there they talk. You just they blow grammar for me. They talk to you normal, you just they shout. Eh? I say I no want go. I no want go. Now only me know why me say me no want go.
Don't use me as an excuse. I am okay. I can go for my checkups myself. You have to go to the city.
I dey tell you say I no want go. You dey here they talk the one within your mouth. Which I'm say man no use you as excuse. If now you be me, man go let you go city leave you. You will just dey recover. You think I no get sense? As I senior you, so I no get sense.
If I were you, I would jump on the opportunity.
Oh yeah, jump now. Jump! I said no one jump. Put you jump for the opportunity now. Jump!
Sister, you need the good health care. Come to think of it, this village doesn't even have strong specialists to take care of your condition.
Nothing they do me. You don't get any day where you see me say, I tell you say I know where. Aside all this normal pregnancy sickness. Nothing they do me. Leave her. I mean know where me say me no want go there. What if I call reach there now? The man I call born or anything. The man I call for there so they like me or want it or anything. You know. No, I dey think maturely. Now me mature. I know what it dey my brain. I know how they think. Plenty things now I dey think. I dey think forward. in case of incasity. I mean, no where I say I no wan go.
You will not have peace. Since you have refused to do the needful, you will not have peace. Since you have refused to do the needful, you will not have peace. Since you have refused to do the needful, you will not have peace.
Chimo. Oh. What is all this now? What is all this? I think it's time I go back to her. I just hope everything is fine with her. Hi. What is all this? Hi. Hi. Landlord. Good morning, good afternoon, sir. Good evening.
Hold your greetings. I don't want that your greetings. My money. Emeka, I said my money. My name is Ego Dinogu. I don't play with money. It is still very early in the morning. I have been coming here, hitting your door, but you refuse, Emeka. You refuse to open your door for your own door. Hey, Emeka, you insulted me. You thought I will not catch you. My money. I said my money.
Landlord, please. I have given you everything I have. I told you now. I pleaded with you to give me little more time. Little more time, I'll pay you.
Okay. I should give you little time. Up till 1 year now. Eh? Is that what you mean? Emeka? My money. Let me tell you, and let me warn you also. I'm not running charity organization. I'm not for the Christmas. I'm after my money. Even if your father built this house, give me my money.
No, please, I'm sorry. Just small time. I promise I will pay you back. I'm on my knees, people.
Oh, you're on your knees. Okay, I lie down for you. Now listen. I have tolerated you enough, Emeka. My house is not for free. I didn't even know I'm getting. Now listen and listen well. I'm giving you 3 months. After that, do not blame me of my action. Because I will throw out all your belongings out from this place.
Olube like that now. Bikon, calm down. Olube like that.
Olube, so
I promise I will pay you. Bikon.
Oh, you are going to tell me what I will do. Oh, you are swearing. I can even shop stand for you. Emeka, now listen. 3 months, make sure you sort your bill out. Or you sort yourself out from my house. I warn you. Remember, I will tell you, as long as you are in my house. Next time I come here, I say, next time I come here, you see what I will do.
Hi. Landlord, it has not gotten to this, so I'll pay you because
you pay me. Say that to your village people. I say that to your village people. I will not come here again. About this man. But what I will do you? Emeka, what I will do you? You will regret it. Let me come here.
Landlord, small time, I will pay you up.
Oh yeah, kamu mejora. Oh yeah, oh yeah,
3 months. Now what can you 1 year? Don't think I can see this. 1 year, sir. Don't answer 3 months.
Oh yeah, kamu mejora.
Oh, this is so good.
Kamu mejora. Oh yeah, this kind of life that I'm living, yo. I have a curse upon my head.
What did this son of doom they do for you? Eh?
Favor, please. Please forgive me. Forgive me for all the bad things that I did to you. Please, I am so sorry. You know, I was very scared that time. I don't have money now, so I was scared. I don't have money to take care of you and be good. Forgive me.
Oh. Now you don't come from where you come from. They speak English, Abi. You think say by now, maybe by now I go down streets, they beg, or people will come, they hold me every day, say I hold them debt, Abi.
No.
You think say by now you not go see me well, say I dey well with this speaking, Abi. Frustration, it don't kill you. Now you frustration don't kill. Say shame unto you. Oh yeah, come on for this one.
Favor, Biko. Please, I'm so sorry. You don't have to do that. You know I don't have money.
Who's on side? Let me alone. You don't know this man do me. You don't know this.
I know. Please, please.
Hey. You didn't do well, my brother. You know, I met her on the streets, suffering. I had to take her in. All you have to do right now is to give her some time.
I can't do that, too. I cannot. She needs to forgive me. My life is at stake.
Well, I don't know what you mean by that. As a matter of fact, you just ruined a process. I'm supposed to take her to the city. I own a foundation that takes care of women, especially pregnant women. You know, it costs a lot to bring a child into this world. But I'm going to take care of that. What you have to do now is to make peace with her.
Oga, please, do not bother about taking care of her. Anomia, I know I don't have anything, but I'll keep trying my best. Just leave her here for me, Biko. Please.
Really?
Yes, really. She must forgive me.
I don't know what you want me to do. I don't know how you want me to talk to my sister after all she went through because of you.
See, Mercy, let us forget about the past tense and focus on the present tense. The truth is that I'm sorry. Please, help me talk to your sister. I'm a changed person.
You want us to forget about the past tense and talk about the present tense, erasing what you did to her? That is impossible. Honestly, I'm not sure she's ever going to forgive you.
Oh, Mercy, stop all this big grammar. It will not take us to anywhere. There is nothing more for me to say than to say that I'm sorry. I'm sorry. In fact, anything she wants me to do, I will do it. Anything.
I'm not sure she's going to reconsider you, but I can see the sincerity in your eyes and in your words, so I will try to talk to her. Hopefully she listens to me.
Please, just do first. I'm sure she will listen, please. Just help me.
You can follow me. Maybe she might change her mind and agree to see you. So you can follow me. Let's go. Yes.
Okay. Now let's give it a try.
Yes.
Why you carry and come here make you come beg me? What be the meaning of that rubbish?
I'm sorry. Sister, he said he's sorry. He's ready to make amends. He wants to take part in raising the child. Or do you want to continue stressing alone?
Your stress? The stress now your stress? Not be me and my pikin dey stress and since. Now when our stress on the end, now you wan come take part. May God no punish am. See am respect yourself, oh, I dey tell you. Leave me and them. Me and my pikin no want. We no want.
Sister, what if it's God trying to work this out for the both of you to still be together? Imagine how long he abandoned you. Suddenly he came back and is ready to make amends. Please forgive him. If not for anything, for the sake of your unborn baby.
Hey, no dey put my unborn baby for this one, I beg. Person wey abandon this pikin, one come now, come dey talk rubbish. I no know a plan. Make it just get out. Avoid me, oh. You say something for sure, I no want to for this house again. Joke apart, I no want to for this house again. Not how they like to reverse.
Okay, sister. I will not allow him to come here again. But please, you have to forgive him. You have to forgive him, if not for anything. Because of your baby.
Make I forgive Emeka. Make I forgive Emeka. If Emeka make me vex, I go tell your word now, say no being get this pikin, nothing go happen. I don't my word.
Sister.
I don't my word.
How will I tell Uncle Emeka now? Sister, please now.
The landlord, this one you're here. I hope everything is fine.
Emeka, I have locked the door. I have locked the door of my house, Emeka. Now listen, I am going to auction all that is in that house, of which I know it is not enough to offset your debt.
Landlord, please now. As you can see, I'm just coming back from the village. Just give me today to run around. Tomorrow morning, I'll just come and pay.
It is not my business, Emeka. How is it my business? Whether you are coming from the land of the dead doesn't concern me. Now listen, I will not and I will never open this door until you pay me my money.
Landlord, it has not gotten to this now. It has not gotten to this. Okay, now that you've locked my house, where do you want me to sleep?
Okay, where your mates are under the bridge. Go and sleep there, Emeka. As you cannot pay me my money, Emeka, what is the use of you in this life? Pay me my money.
Landlord, please. I'm still alive. I'll pay you your money.
Yeah, your window. Even the government say you're still alive. What is good of that? Give me my money. Emeka, here your window. For you now, here your window. You're owing me. Before you die, please make sure you pay me, Emeka. I don't play with my money. I don't play with my money.
Landlord, I will not die. I'll pay you your money. Just give me a little time. I'll pay you your money. Today now, I'll run around and I'll bring you your money tomorrow morning. Come and open my door. Landlord, please now. Come. Whoa. What is all this? What is all this? I'm tired. I'm tired. Come on, rent. I cannot pay. No problem. What is all this? I'm tired. I'm tired. On that bridge. I should go and sleep on that bridge.
Make I tell him, say I'm sorry, oh. Forgive me, Wara. Oh, yeah, come on, Major. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, come on, Major. Oh, yeah. This kind of life that I'm living, I have a curse upon my head. I don't know how to break it.
Yeah. To have fun now. Any luck?
Yeah. Well, I have pleaded with him. I gave him 30% of the money. That's all I have. So I pleaded with him to give you a little more time to pay.
Hi, Peter.
My guy.
Where do I start thanking you for? You've always watched my back. Thank you so much.
No, everywhere good. It's
Thank
okay.
you.
It's okay. You'll be fine. Yeah, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Don't worry. So, everything is settled. He gave me the key to open the door for you.
Okay. Nah, this landlord is so difficult. Isiebo.
That landlord don't like poverty at all.
I'm telling you.
Don't like poverty. So, how was your journey now from the village?
Oh boy, I'm going to load this your head, but first let me offload my own first.
Mercy. Mercy.
Sister.
Come. Sit down. I don't decide, say I go city.
I'm sorry. Hi, thank God. Hi. Sister, am I going with you?
You try me say, are you going with me? How you go follow me go where we no know before? Now me go first go there, go see a grand B before I go come call you, may you come. As you and Mr. James man say, na city na be better place for me for my pikin. May no be say that me come be bad dead give my pikin now. May I go give am the good life.
Hey, sister, you should really go with Uncle James. He has been helpful to us. He's a good man. He will take care of you and the baby. And you know that he's rich. He has money. Uncle Emeka does not.
I beg if they talk, no they put Emeka name, I beg. They comot that guy name. That boy know what he mean, name to the mention for this house. No they mention am again.
Hey, sister.
I don't.
When are you going, sister?
I never know. I go first call Mr. James, man. I call man first. Man, ask man, say when he go dey okay for me to
It's
come.
true. Call him now. Call him now.
Hello, man. Good afternoon, sir. I just want to tell you, say I don't decide to come sit. No, now my sister, she know they get herself. Now it depends. Anytime you want me, man, come. As okay, you come carry me. Okay, okay, sir. Okay, no problem. No problem. I'm gonna wait for you. No problem, sir.
Sorry.
Oh. All right.
Yay!
Welcome to my little space.
Yay! No be smart, you know. Now what for me, oh? So that this better place. Now you dey live. Now they talk say no one come here since. See me, oh, poverty.
Well, thank God you've seen for yourself.
Hi, it's somewhere cool.
The AC, yeah.
You get mansion, oh?
Yes, this is actually one of my houses.
One off.
One off.
And you humble like this. God don't bless you finish. Nothing you need.
Thank God. All glory to God.
Now flower pot be that one.
Oh yes, that flower vase.
Jesus. You go really dey very expensive.
Very expensive.
You go dey for millions.
Exactly. Millions.
Hey.
Millions.
Wow.
All right, come. Let me show you to your room. Okay? Come this way. Come.
Light they change color. Hey.
She didn't even allow me to talk. She does not want to listen to any of my explanation.
Emeka, you need to go back and make her understand. Go back and make her to listen to your explanation. Because that guy there, that guy will spoil things for you. I swear to God.
I don't think so. I think that guy is helping her.
See, she's a woman. You have to go and take your responsibility now, immediately. Yes. That's what we've not been doing.
But I've already told him that. But it seems that guy is of great help to them.
If that help must come, that help must come through you. The help must come through you, not direct entry. Just direct. No.
Okay. In that case, I'll have to go back there and see how things are. So in the process, I can have a space to have a conversation with him again.
Better.
Yeah.
Better. You understand?
Okay.
Okay. I beg, let's go and play game now.
No, I'm not a play game again. I don't play game anymore.
Guy, you see, since that time when I win that game,
that game I gave you.
I swear to God, I've not been able to win anyone again since that time. I saw the thing they be.
See, trust me, I don't stop to the play. Like I'm done trying anyway. I don't even get money while they give. They talk more of me than they eat my money. I cannot play again. I'm done trying, my guy.
No problem now. Just don't worry yourself, man. Just no worry. Everything will be fine. I have to start going now.
Okay.
Let me start going.
No wahala, bro.
Alright now. What do now? Hey, make us man. Order now, on them up.
Pay.
Big
Bloodline.
Alright.
Later now. Oh, I can't say. Merci.
Good morning.
Morning.
Veronica.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I can see you're sweeping.
Yes, I'm just trying to clean up.
That's great. Where is Favor? I bought her baby things.
Her Favor is not around. She has gone to the city with Uncle James.
When? Why?
Nothing serious. She just went for a couple of checkups and to run some tests.
And she did not tell me. How? Please, can you give me her phone number? I need to call her.
Okay, I'm coming. Let me get it.
No. I got on that guy, you. There is something about that guy I don't understand. Let it not just be what I'm thinking.
Favor, I hope you're enjoying yourself.
Hey, God.
Because I bought all of this specially for you and your baby.
You too much. You too much. Now maybe my people no go baby go.
No.
I know if you push on.
No,
if you push.
Don't worry, you'll be able to push, okay? You push well. I trust you. Okay? You're enjoying it, huh? You need more chicken or fish?
No, this one.
Okay. Let me just get my own. I don't want to cut short your portion.
No,
all right?
Stop.
No. I have too much inside. Okay? I'll be with you soon.
Who get this number? Hello? Hello, who be this? Emeka. I beg, no dey raise your voice for me. No dey shout for me, oh. What be your problem? I dey my philanthropist house. My philanthropist, na his name na Mr. James, man. The man, you know what make I even gist you about her? If you see where I dey, make you go shut up. You will know say you self, you know they get yourself at all. I dey better place where I dey get myself full time. Unlike the pain and agony where you put me inside. They gonna punish you. You dey whine me. I kiss Grace. What I send you the address? If you be say you want some assault, you want kill yourself, say you want know where I dey. Go meet my sister Mercy. But me, I know say Mercy no kiss Grace to give you the address. Oh, I better not call my phone again. No, not try again for your life. May not be so you be enemy of progress. Ajamu. No, this kind one. Why you cut this thing through away? Who let this boy want from my hand? Oh? Bad luck. Now when life done better for me, he doesn't want to spoil things.
Yourself around.
If at that time, if I come down for my seat, if I come down for my motor.
Which motor?
You self.
Which motor?
Also, I greet you now. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Greet you too.
I beg, it gets one place where they find for this street, but you know say this street too long. So I don't know how to locate the place.
Hope say everywhere good, no problem.
Everywhere I do correct, nothing will happen.
I carry it.
I hold the address. See the address.
Oh. Okay. Okay, James side. Number 16.
Number 16.
James. No.
Yeah, just go straight like this. The first house, so you can see.
The place near like this.
Yes.
Alright, move along. Now thank you, bros. Thank you.
Bros, I beg no first. This address now, this Oga James now where you define. This guy man, a person maybe say they live one kind private life. You know, they receive visitors. You know, they deal with the person, only him. What I go? So me, I can't wonder now. What you define now?
The thing be say, my pregnant wife did there. You understand? The guy, he gets foundation when they help. So I want check my wife there.
This Oga James now where they talk. They always see her with pregnant women. Different type.
Yes, pregnant women in the get foundation with the.
Okay, shut up. Now some foundation. I know about something very important. Some the same foundation. See, let me tell you. For over 3 years now, I know this. Oga James. No pregnant woman will enter that house where they come out her life. Now let me make it clear now. No, but me and my guy and the other people, we don't try go meet street chairman. They table on one or two things. But if chairman go there, Otilo. Everything go just scatter. Waiting with the plan. But this time around now, with the fine solution, we could just bring them down. I know if you love your wife very well, find a way go drag and come out. Not just beg your wife to come out, drag and come out from that place. Why they tell you this now? I just see you as a kind gentleman.
Yes,
I just bounce you out, come on here now. At the mention and the scene of Mr. James, now to just bam, go from here now.
If you don't believe him, just leave your wife for them.
I tell you now.
Because me, I don't check. Say how foundation go dey for person. person dey in house dey manage for.
You reason am now. Na toro we be waiting the up.
I don't understand.
We be toro. Which kind of nonsense foundation?
Okay, no problem.
You no go dey go now, maybe you go comot your wife.
No wahala. Thank
Drag am, I dey tell you, drag am comot from that house.
No wahala.
Just drag am comot.
Say even this one self dey even dey look us say okay. I mean we use our hand drag am.
No, you know, see, you no go believe am now.
But wait to listen where we dey talk. See, if na only me. See, I don tell una this thing since. Make una allow me make I handle this man. Make I handle am. See, I dey talk am since.
Shebi na house dey there now.
Bros,
hold me. I never hold you for one, so oya go. I no go hold you for this one now. Just stand up, go. I no go hold you. If I hold you, omo beat me. Oya go meet Oga James. Go stand up now.
Hello?
Hello, Favor.
Hello?
Favor, you need to listen to me. Yes, listen to me. You see that guy, James? James is a ritualist.
Emeka, you know what they worry you? Now poverty, then just they give you problem. Better poverty, then they give you problem. So now your strategy don't finish. Now you bring this one. Say man na ritualist.
James uses pregnant women for ritual.
Hey. If you na ritualist, then you na poverty list.
Favor, listen now. I am not lying. This is coming from a direct source.
Oh, that come up from my phone. You can rich talk be that one. You dey find new strategy where you want to make I come up for you. If you see where I dey, hey, you go know say poverty is a bastard.
Listen, let me tell you. You have to leave that place at once. I'm serious. You have to leave that place at once. And if you're leaving, do not tell him. Because if you tell him, he will not allow you to leave.
I beg God, no dey come here, no dey tell me rubbish. Come up for phone. Get that tea, don't do.
If I'm telling you something, you'll be talking poverty. This has nothing to do with poverty. Please, leave that place at once, Biko. Hello, Favor. Favor.
Nonsense. Which one? Maybe that one will give me belly. That one will give me belly, Emeka.
Are you people having issues?
Ijoko is say you be ritualist.
What?
The new one wey him bring, the new strategy wey him bring come on. Say you na ritualist.
Why would he call me a ritualist? Is it because I'm trying to help you?
No bother yourself. Me, I finish her now. I tell her say if he call you ritualist, then he na poverty list. The only list where your name na be this philanthropist. Na so, make go rest. No bother yourself. The first you want to make me make more for your house. Nonsense. Nonsense, my God. I finish her, man.
Don't worry, I will teach him a lesson.
Don't need to stress yourself. Just you don't define what you go use to talk so you be bad person. You will be my helper. See you will get good mind, good finish. Person like you now they look finish because they call ritualist. You will not feel hot a fly. Praise people. You don't dey fight. Now him wey dey there, na him be bad ritualist, na him be wicked person. Wey leave pikin and mama comot mo suffer. But God don punish am, na my helper don come. I don dey enjoy life, e dey pain am, prepare am for body. In short, abeg I don tire say this boy just come spoil my mood. You come bring bad spirit into the atmosphere. Person wey dey enjoy, the one dey bring bad luck, dey come God forbid. No let her make you sad o. Make this thing no your touch you at all. No mind am. No let her make you. I know say you go dey pay you, say person dey call you wetin you no be. No let am pay you.
Should I report to the police? But what evidence do I have? So this is how I will be watching Favor die like that. Hi. The worst part of it is that she is not even listening to me. What did you have, sir? Favor, pig.
Officer. Yeah. Look at his face very well. His name is Emeka. I want you and your men to find him, arrest him, lay allegations on him, and make sure he never gets out of it.
Okay, sir. I and my boys will do a smooth job. We'll make sure we'll attend to your demands and do a clean job.
Good. You have to swing into actions immediately and get the job done. Afterwards, you can come back with your men and I will appreciate you people properly.
We'll do a smooth job, sir.
Good.
We'll do a smooth job, sir.
Good. Get to work immediately.
No problem, sir.
I will be waiting to hear the good news.
I really appreciate it, sir.
Good.
You know, see all these boys wey we say poverty mindset don't finish. Their matter no dey even dey make sense. Abeg, because of me, pity and free am. Make they go tell police me dem leave. Abeg.
It's alright. Talk to them to let him go. Alright?
Thank you.
But he has to sign an undertaking to stay away from me and everything that concerns you.
I don't get wetin I want to use that boy do again. Person will deny me and this pregnancy. All of a sudden, because he don't see better person don't they can't help me and be pikin. Now he won't come shoot me spoil and won't come out again. I go reward her.
It's alright, don't worry. I'll take care of this. Okay? I will. I promise you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the ice cream will you buy for me. Even when you tell me say you know buy me ice cream again.
I had no other option but to buy ice cream for you. Alright? Don't worry, by next week we'll be going to the hospital so they can check you up and get you ready for the coming of the baby. Like the coming of Christ.
Ha! No, nothing be like the coming of Christ. Coming of Christ, 9 big pass. You don't be hungry?
Yes, I think I'm hungry. Fix something.
Okay, no problem. You go wait. Make I lick this ice cream finish because it go feel melt.
Alright, go ahead.
Thank you, yeah.
You're welcome.
For everything. Thank you.
Emeka, why is it that you always enter from one problem to another? Emeka, why? Eh?
Peter, like, you do not believe me.
Emeka, how do you want me to believe you? Eh? How will I believe you? Where's the evidence for me to believe you? Huh? That man is rich doesn't make him a ritualist. You are very lucky. You are very, very lucky that that man, that DPO, is a nice person. He's very peaceful. If not, we would have remained there. We would have remained inside that cell. Yes.
I am not the one that said he's a ritualist. It's the guys around him. I was looking for a direction to his house the other day when I met some guys who told me that. In fact, why I listened to them is that they specifically mentioned pregnant ladies. So I started adding 1 or 2, plus or minus or. I started thinking, why is he keen of helping Favor? Why? Favor, do you mean?
Emeka, are you sure of what you're saying?
I'm very, very sure. I'm very sure. That's why I will need you to help me. Favor is not safe.
Alright, no problem. If that's the case. But that guy is well connected though. That was why he was able to detain you unlawfully. But don't worry yourself, just calm down. I'm going to talk to my uncle to see what he can do. Don't worry.
Plus, we'll bring Favor out. You know she's pregnant. Before you understand? Let us try and bring her out. That place is not safe. Anmagogezu is not safe at all. With the things I hear, that place, are they safe?
Okay, I'm able to, yeah? Don't worry.
The time is now. I summon you, Grand Master of the Great Zango Temple. Come. Your son beseech you. I summon you, Grand Master of the Great Zango Temple. Come. I beseech you. Come. This is a bad omen. Huh? What is happening? I summon you, Grand Master of the Great Zango Temple. Come! It's time for the ritual. It's time for renewal. Who's that? Yes, hold on. Officer, what's going on now?
Mr. James.
Yes, that is me.
You are under arrest for the offense of kidnapping and murder of pregnant women. Not only that, we have been tracking you all this while. But I guess today is the day of reckoning.
Officer, listen, we can settle this. I have 20 million naira upstairs. in my room. I can add 10 million naira to make it 30. Okay? Let's work things out. Please.
What? Another pregnant woman?
No, this one is the
What have you done to her?
She's the person I want to marry.
One more thing, you have to cooperate with us. For whatever you say or do, will be used against you in the court of law. Officer, move in. And Mr. Emeka is downstairs waiting for you. You can't wait till you see your face. Move! Hey, move, sir! Remember to call Inspector Joseph that there is an emergency for them to send up back home. Okay?
Move! Sir, please.
I said move!
Let us go.
Move!
Let's discuss this thing.
Move! 50 million.
Like Usman.
See, Peter, I really want to thank you for being so helpful to me. I don't like, at times I will just stay like this. I'll say, what would I have done without you? Nah, you're born in Oyanga, Pabuko, now fool.
My God. I swear. See, you would have done a lot. Huh? You would have done a lot. You're welcome. You're welcome, my bro. It's okay. You see that James guy? That guy is going to be prosecuted. I swear, Abbas.
That guy will ritualist now. And I mean, that is the end of the road for him. Wicked man.
Mecca. Look, I have a good news for you. I swear.
On your man, good news.
Man.
Please, which good news did you bring this time?
Mecca. See, I spoke to my uncle about you. I swear. I told him everything about you. Now, he is ready to see you.
Hey.
He said I should tell you to bring 2 business proposals if you are coming. So get ready. We're going to see my uncle. I swear.
Peter, leave that thing. Please tell me the good news. You're joking.
I'm telling you the truth. I swear to God. See, I've been talking to my uncle for a very long time now. Finally, I accept.
Your uncle Choi from
Makachi
with business proposals.
I'm telling you.
Hey!
So he can see how to help you. See this guy.
Township.
Emeka must shine. It's your turn to shine now. Not for you.
Hey!
Emeka,
you see what I've been telling you. What will I have done without you? What would I have done?
You know my guy, I deal with 100.
So now township guy.
Hey! Usman, Emeka must shine. It's your turn to shine. Huh? Usman. Last, everywhere good. I deal with you.
I'm on Niger. One day things will be okay.
I have go already. One day more.
With your help, you need to get
the man.
I really very well. You see, my love, I'm really very sorry. I miss you so much, and I'm so sorry that I've not been there for you and the womb.
That's say that God don't shame you. Now God shame you so. If I don't come back, God don't shame you. You don't use shame. Come back.
But you've always been my nightmare. You laugh me.
I didn't tell you. This one suits me. You sure say God the answer prayer. You know say since when you come out leave me, I carry you for mind. I carry hatred for mind against you. Every day, even if I know the pray come out, I dey pray for you against for my mind. Say anywhere you dey no go get peace. No, say na wetin dey affect people. If person carry person for mind, anywhere they no go get peace.
Wonder I know the peace.
No, I know how you want to sleep when you abandon me and your pikin. Ha! No go try am o. You no get peace. Thank God say that ritual is no who use me do ritual. But now I for dey here now they reunite with you.
No be enjoyment won't carry you go.
No.
Which one be no?
No, the man be dey try for me. Now in the head they do things. But deep down inside me, I dey suspect the man. if I see am, he gas, I dey suspect about he go dey buy me fresh bread, go dey buy me things wey I dey need.
You dey like.
I know, I can't dey biased. Then plus Mercy wey come join, dey push me. Go. I can't say man, go. When they be like, say, I no like better thing. But thank God say no use me. This my head now. It's your buncha.
This your small head. Anyway, all that day for past now. May they allow me and my baby make we dey na boy happy girl.
Anyone wey God give us, Emeka, you get what you never do. So you can never buy me fresh bread.
Okay, that bread will be safe if they dry, go they draw you.
The one you bring from bakery immediately, they hot. I do like her.
No worry, I go buy for you, yeah? I go buy for you.
Come on, yeah, come first, come.
Wait till me that.
Emeka, you don't do mature. You get white, baby.
Which one be I don't be mature? Old man, I dey say don't be mature. I don't understand. These small girls, I don't understand how they talk at times.
Who they call small girl?
Suffer, tire for this life, oh. No matter what I do, things they scatter, oh. Now which kind of life be this, oh. No matter where I go, them go tire to give me small job, oh. I never argue salary, but then they say, we know they see you. Even get man